Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa. I'm with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, we're at one of the coolest things of the village. It's pretty amazing. It's called the Sandy Pickle. So, hey, I'm gonna walk in. I want you to see it. It's super fun. So it's basically a huge pickleball court area with many pickleball courts. It's also areas where you can eat. So you can eat and grab some food in here. This is what it looks like here, so you can also grab some wine, grab some drinks, wine, whatever. But then also you've got pickleball. So look at this, incredible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe six pickleball courts. Pretty cool, pretty fly. And these are all here, ready for you at the village. It's all surrounded by a beautiful area. There's a food truck over there, the Sandy Pickle food truck looks like. That's super fun. I mean, just look at how fun this is. And so you can imagine they have pickleball tournaments. Pickleball tournaments go on here. It's a great way to meet people. They call that's the bread and butter pickleball lot. That's the gherkin court. That's the kosher veal court. Looks like the sweet pickle court. Oh, this is just awesome. That's the pickled pepper court. So, hey, it's looking like, 6 courts. 7 courts, 8 courts. I believe 8 courts here. Wow, pretty crazy. At least 6, if not 8 courts. It's amazing. So anyway, just plenty of ways for you to connect to people and, of course, play pickleball. Pretty snazzy, pretty cool. Yep, 6 courts. Also over here, you've got volleyball. So the volleyball's over here. Pretty cool. This is part of the Sandy Pickle. But you can do volleyball. Looks like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 volleyball courts. Wow, pretty cool. So all this is fun, cool. So it's plenty of ways for you to meet people. They're gonna have these things set up for you to meet people, to play these things. It's not just their court set up, they're ready for you to play. So anyway, that's just more ways for you to connect with people in the village. The village is truly one of the most exciting places to live because the amount of ways they give you to connect with people. Hey, if you have any questions or you want to set up a tour, send me a text. Just use the number below.